day.
We have been invited here today to share with Tabata and William a very important moment in their lives. In the years they have been together, their love and understanding of each other has grown and matured. And now they have decided to live their lives together as husband and wife.
Like a soldier who's lost his composure, you're wounded and play a waiting game in no man's land. No one's to blame. See the world, find an old-fashioned girl, and when all's been said and done, the things that are given, not one of the things that you want.
You give me the sensibility that sometimes I lack, the patience that I don't have. You're sweet, caring, thoughtful, smart, hardworking. Always puts me first, and even learned Portuguese for me. You simply make me the happiest woman on earth.
With nothing of significance besides the shadow of a dream. You sound like a no-joke. You're worn out, a bit broken, asking me time and time again, and the answer's still the same. See the world, find an old-fashioned girl, and when all's been said and done, the things that are given, not one of the things that you want. Sha-la-la-la-la, 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 sha-la-la-la-la. Got a chance to put things right.
Tabata, before I met you, I was going through life without any direction. I was beginning to understand who I was, but had very little idea of where I wanted to be, and knew even less about how to share my life with someone else. Today I feel so happy and lucky to be marrying the love of my life. And I promise to love and care for you, and I will try every day and in every way to be worthy of your love. But most of all, you will love me unconditionally, just as I love you.
See the world, find an old-fashioned girl, and when all's been said and done, the things that are given, not one of the things that you want. Sha-la-la-la-la, 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 sha-la-la-la-la. Got a chance to put things right. So how's it going to be?